forecast first. Sponsored by Matex Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing.
Well, good evening to you on what has been a very cloudy, overcast day. That is our roofing dog, iNet Ford America camera in Danville. As you can see, the overcast sky still in place, and on the satellite picture here as well. But these clouds eventually going to start to break apart, move off to the east, and we will see tomorrow a nice return to sunshine. But you can really tell what the clouds have done with our temperatures here in this area. We've had the cloud cover 40s. You compare that, though, back to St. Louis, where they've had sun, and they've got the 60s. We're going to make a close run at that as we head into the day tomorrow. We're going to look at a kind of a cool night with temperatures falling back down close to the freezing mark in some areas. We will talk about a nice rebound, though, that's coming up later this week in the forecast. WCIA 3 News starts right now.
Now on WCIA 3 News.
It was our deadliest day yet in Illinois' fight against the coronavirus. Why Governor Pritzker moved to more than double his original length of the order to stay at home.
And state parks have been closed, but that hasn't stopped people from going to them. What's being done to enforce the closure?
You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 5.
I will be signing an executive order to extend Illinois' disaster proclamation, our stay-at-home order.
Illinois will remain under a stay-at-home order another 3 weeks. The governor announcing that today, putting Illinois in line with federal guidelines until the end of April. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jennifer Roscoe. Today was the deadliest day yet in Illinois' fight against the coronavirus. Public health officials reported 26 new deaths today and 937 new cases of COVID-19. That brings the total number of cases in the state to nearly 6,000. There are now 99 deaths. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell is live in Springfield tonight. And Mark, the governor said we still haven't reached the peak in Illinois.
Jennifer, the governor's decision to more than double the length of his original order to stay at home is one that carries a lot of gravity for him. He knows the implications this will have on businesses, on workers, and on everyone. But he says he's focusing his efforts right now on the frontline healthcare workers, the doctors and nurses who badly need personal protective equipment and who need hospital beds in the ICU and ventilators. That's the numbers they're looking at most closely. And right now, we're seeing those first signs of strain already showing up in our hospitals. The number of available ICU beds is down 2% from where it was this time last week. The number of available ventilators down 4% from this time last week. And with the rate of death and infection still growing exponentially, the public health experts expect those available beds could fill up quick, and those ventilators will be in use. Even still, the Governor Pritzker appeared to leave the door open to possibly ending his order to stay at home, perhaps before his new deadline of April 30th.
If we can end these orders earlier, I'll be the first one to tell you when we can start to make strides toward normalcy again. But that time is not today, and it's not April 7th. Illinois has one of the strongest public health systems in the nation, but even so, we aren't immune to this virus's ability to push our existing capacity beyond its limits. We need to maintain our course and keep working to flatten the curve.
The coronavirus is no longer isolated to just one corner of the state either. We've now reached more than the halfway point, geographically speaking. The coronavirus and positive tests of it have showed up now in 54 counties. More than half of Illinois' 102 counties have positive tests of the coronavirus. Governor Pritzker's decision today was one he had flirted with for several days. There had been a lot of pressure on whether he would extend this date, but with that April 7th, the original order to stay at home, its deadline just 1 week from today, many business owners and workers alike were looking to that date on their calendar, hoping we'd be winding up or ramping up to get back to work. But now the state will be bunkering back down for the entire month of April. Many of these business owners waiting to hold out and see, they're going back to the drawing board to see if they can stick this out and see what relief from Congress might do to help them stay alive or at least on life support until we get back to work out from under the cloud of this coronavirus order to stay at home. Reporting in Springfield, Mark Maxwell, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Mark, thank you so much. Now, if you were like me, you jumped when your phone went off this morning. It was an emergency alert looking for licensed healthcare workers. It took you to a website where you can sign up to be contacted in a medical emergency. Then your name will be saved in a database even after the pandemic. In Macon County, a doctor with Memorial Health Systems has tested positive for the coronavirus. The doctor at an outpatient facility did not have any contact with the main hospital indicator. Memorial says the person had recently traveled to a place with a large number of cases and is now quarantined. The Macon County Health Department is currently contacting people who may have been exposed. This is the second person to test positive in that county. Vermilion County has its first positive case. The county health department confirmed it this morning. WCIA 3's Karina Rubio has more.
The patient is in their 20s and lives in Vermilion County. They were tested for the virus in Champaign County. The person is also being treated in a Champaign County hospital. The Vermilion County Health Department says its communicable disease staff is figuring out who might need to be fast-tracked for testing now.
So what we do now is reach out to that initial patient, which we've done, get an idea of who this person lives with, who do they work with, who do they spend a lot of time with, and then we start contacting them as well and trying to track this as it moves its way through the community.
The health department says it's been preparing for this and is reminding people in Vermilion County to practice social distancing, stay home unless necessary to leave, and wash hands often.
That was Karina Rubio reporting for us. The Vermilion County Health Department is not releasing any other information about the person at this time. We have an update on the COVID-19 outbreak at a senior living facility in Taylorville. Officials confirm there is a new case connected to the Rolling Meadows apartments. This brings the total up to 13 positive tests associated with the facility. 2 of the people with positive tests were hospitalized. 1 was released. The other is in ICU in Springfield. With campuses across the nation temporarily closed, some students are relying on what they see online to make a decision about their futures. Operation Calculus is offering a virtual college fair. Each day, 2 colleges or universities join students online to talk about school requirements, tuition and fees, and programs the university offers. Students say it's a nice alternative to visiting the campus.
They usually, both of them each had a representative from the college or that's went to the college, and it's really nice because they give a lot of insight. They offer virtual tours, like you can see the college even though we can't be there.
Several schools across the nation are participating, including the U of I, Emory University, and Tennessee State. Any high school student interested in learning more can participate for free. In other news now, Urbana police are investigating after a teenager was shot. Police were called to Fletcher and Silver Streets just after 11 last night. They found a 16-year-old who had been shot. He was taken to the hospital and will survive. Officers also found another 16-year-old nearby who knew the victim. They patted him down and found a loaded handgun. He was taken to the youth detention center. New at 5, Springfield police are investigating the death of a 23-year-old. The coroner says the person was taken to the hospital from East Spruce Street and Wheeler Avenue. The person was pronounced dead at the hospital. Officials are describing the death as violent. Police are not releasing any other information, and they are not releasing the person's name. One place you can go during the stay-at-home order is outside to enjoy the fresh air. But some places have been shut down to do even that, why they're calling in reinforcements to stop you from going.